Hello. Quick update, you all. Um, just want to give you all this quick update that Dogelon Mars is up 45% today. Dogelon is up. So those who were connected to me, I just sent them a text, asked them, hey, have you all looked at your Dogelon portfolio that you hold? Um, those in my insider circle, I had already told about Dogelon or in the Patreon group. Also, this is interesting. The Will Smith slap is being used by Coach Deion Sanders' college football team to teach players how to play defense. Yeah, because if you notice, the slap was done with this part. This part of the hand was not really the finger part that, like when you slap somebody, your fingers. It was really done with this part of the hand. I have a spammer. Let me see what's going on. Let me block someone on my Facebook is spamming my Facebook account. So if you see that on Facebook, that is not me sending that message. Okay, let me block this person from my Facebook. That is not me, you all. So let me block. 1 second. So Dogelon and Apecoin is pumping today. So definitely, I told you all about Apecoin too as well. So I told you all about that already. Um, all right, got that person blocked. Listen, I would never send you a message from WhatsApp, or I would never spam my own contact. So if you see a WhatsApp or something like that, that is not me. So I got that person blocked. Hello, Lisa. So I told all my inside people that's a member of my Patreon about both of these coins, Apecoin and Dogelon Mars. It's up to you, and you know how much you buy, how much you invest. Whether it's a little bit, where it's a lot, where you can take advantage of 45%. But you cannot say that the crypto queen did not give you the inside information. So that's it for that quick update. My second portion of how to get more money fast, right? How to get more money fast. Most Americans do not know that they are the biggest expense that comes out of their paycheck is FICA taxes. And they don't know that if they just had a home-based business, they can greatly decrease that amount of taxation that comes out of your paycheck with the 475 tax deductions with the home-based business. So what that means in simple terms is it is an instantaneous pay raise. So you need to do a paycheck roadmap. You need to do a paycheck checkup to check up upon your paycheck. There's certain life situations where many people, their lives have changed as far as their dependents, their marital status, or maybe they're single, um, et cetera, et cetera, and they have not updated their paycheck. A lot of people have been working with a job for years or on a particular job for years and years and years, and they've never updated their paycheck since they were first hired. You could be 80% of Americans that's overpaying the IR to the S in taxes. So the 129 limited time special ends in 2 days. You want the credit repair experts to look at your credit report to improve your credit. If you want the certified CPAs and CFAs, certified financial accountants, and certified professional accountants to look at your paycheck. These are IRS certified experts. Analyze your paycheck. Now, to those who may have joined the business and you thought that the monthly, a lot of people call it a monthly subscription, is really a monthly investment. And you thought that the $119 was too much. And you, for example, may have a $300 or $500 increase on your paycheck. I'm highly advising you that if the experts found money in your paycheck, you need to do one or two things. You need to either readjust your W-4 back to the amount of withholdings that you had without the MWR business added to it, or you need to reactivate your account today, because if you do not, the consequences of that is you can owe back taxes. Your paycheck, once you join MWR, reflects that now you are both an entrepreneur and an employee under their umbrella of the home-based business tax deductions. So now when it comes time to file taxes at the end of the year, and you have canceled those privileges of membership, now the paycheck pay raise does not apply to you, and you will be in a position where you do not have enough tax deductions to claim, right? Because you can't claim MWR anymore. You're not affiliated with it. And now you can be in a position where you're overpaying or you have a tax liability, right? So I ask people all the time, if you got $300 more, would you want to exchange 119 for 300? Or even if you got $200 more, that's roughly $80 positive cash flow. Listen, you have to invest six figures in real estate to get $300 to $500 cash flow positive, or sometimes five figures. If you can find, you're not finding a deal like that right now in this economy. And so understand positive cash flow. Cash flow is positive cash flow. And then some people, not all, they don't stay with the business the entire year to see thousands come back from taxes, where you are now not taxed as an employee or a small business owner or 1099. You are now taxed in the same tax bracket. You have the same tax benefits as Warren Buffett, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, et cetera, for only $129. You can't beat that. And you get credit repair services. And you get the experts to negotiate the bills that you are already paying. So you don't have to switch servicers, right? And you get extra cash flow to invest in crypto. So don't have a mindset to come in, get your pay raise, or maybe your pay raise on your paycheck wasn't as much as you thought it would be. Mine personally was $500. There's no way I would cancel out $500 when I'm just investing 119 to get 500. There's no way if it doesn't make dollars, it doesn't make sense, right? People know your numbers, know the importance of numbers. See, poor people look at things as a payment. They say, what's the payment? What's the cost? Rich and wealthy people look at the ROI, the return on the investment. Also, if the 119 is not for you, you can self-fund the business by referring it to 3 other people that need financial help, just as you were attracted to the business for financial help. So you can totally, you can cancel out the 119 anyway, right? And you can get extra cash flow when you refer and help people with financial problems. So people, get your cash flow up, get your credit up. Now let me say it this way: get your credit up. That's 3. Then we 3x it by getting your cash flow up. That's 6. Then we 3x it again by getting your crypto up. That's 9. So people, in short, that's the 369 financial formula. So I hope you got indulged. Lon Mars, if you cash it out, that's on you. But if you're an MWR and you cash it out, then you have 475 tax deductions. So now you don't have a large tax bill on your flip. And if you're an ApeCoin, I think ApeCoin is about 7 to 8% today as well. I told my Patreon members and those connected to me in crypto you about Acorn as well. So the 129 goes away in 2 days. You will be grandfathered in. If you want a crypto education, you can text crypto for that. That is $297, and that's a grandfathered in price too that will change as well, right? So right now, I tell people if your cash flow is not flowing strong enough to invest in crypto, so you can hold, so you can be an investor and not a trader, right? Then you definitely need to invest 129 in yourself. Crypto Queen out. You all be blessed.